TikTok Shop sales tracking software. Sales tracking software for TikTok Shop lets sellers monitor order numbers, revenue, product performance, and inventory all in one platform, giving you a clear picture of how your business is doing without switching between multiple apps. These tools automatically pull in data like units sold, average order value, and seller fees, so you can focus on growth instead of spreadsheets. The benefits are wide-ranging. You can see which products are selling best, spot trends before they fade, manage stock to prevent overselling, and compare performance across different platforms or campaigns. For example, Helium 10 supports TikTok Shop tracking by integrating revenue and margin data for you to analyze in real time, offering a unified dashboard that brings your TikTok, Amazon, and other sales channels together seamlessly. It ensures you don't miss hidden costs and helps you make data-driven decisions. In practice, many sellers use Helium 10's tools to connect their TikTok Shop account, sync orders, map products, and keep track of inventory and fulfillment status. For instance, their integration allows you to map your TikTok products to existing Amazon listings and monitor order status and fulfillment through one system, making it easier to scale without losing visibility or control. You can start using Helium 10 for free right now by checking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to powerful tracking software that helps you monitor, optimize, and grow your TikTok Shop sales performance with confidence.